Hey YouTube, this is me, Shana550, and this is my setup for the craft show. I don't think I got enough stuff. I think I got to get more. So, see my baby dresses there. My sister came and set it up. Hey, you guys, I made this little purse stand. If y'all want to know how it's made, let me know. It's not done. I'm going to go get some hooks to hook my bags onto there. It's 2 rows. As you can see the other row. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay. Yeah. If you want to know how that's made, just leave me a comment and I'll show y'all. It's really nice though. Cause see, some of your bags they need to be shown for people to appreciate. Dang, this yarn looks funny right here, don't it? I just noticed that. That look different. But anyway, this is my thing. Oh, let me slide the. And y'all see, I got my square. That's a must-have for craft shows. Y'all got to have that square. Upgrade your game. I got my little shoes. I got these hot pads. I don't know. I'll be thinking, y'all don't be mad at me or offended when I say this, but I think European people like these, so that's why I got those. I'm going to do, I'm going to do more earrings and stuff. But tell me what y'all think about my setup. And that's it. Shana550, and I'm out. Deuces.